Hello guys, good evening. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will be discussing about the 4 basic and important type of sentences classified by the purpose. Let me assure you that after watching this video, you will be able to make all these 4 types of sentences without any hinder. So before going to the topic, let me tell you there are other types of sentences also classified by the structure. Sentences which are classified by the structure are simple sentences, compound sentences, complex sentences, compound complex sentences. In the same way, some other categories are also there which are made based on the conditions, based on the condition and the result of a sentence. Zero conditionals, first conditionals, second conditionals and third conditionals. In this video, I will be discussing about the sentences which are classified by the purpose. Please do watch complete video and attempt the quiz followed by the explanation. Do write your score in the comment section without fail. So these sentences are classified by the purpose. When you speak something, when you say something, when you ask something, there is a purpose behind it. There is a purpose behind it. Declarative sentence is about the statement. Interrogative sentence is about the question. Imperative sentence is about the command and request. Exclamative sentence is about the exclamation. These sentences are sometimes called as clauses type because various clauses we use here. Let's see each type in detail. Before that, let us see a column which describes the same. Declarative sentence. The form of a sentence is subject, verb and object. I will write here subject, yes, V, O, subject, verb and object. Function of this is statement. It tells us something. It tells us something. It gives us information about something. For example, John likes Ileana. John likes Ileana. The final punctuation of this sentence is full stop or period. Please remember this in a mind that declarative sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with full stop. Interrogative sentences. The function of this sentence is to ask something, to ask some information, to inquire, to interrogate. In declarative sentence, we got to know that John likes Ileana. But here we need to inquire whether Ileana too like him. Does Ileana like John? Is a question. So the final punctuation of this sentence is question mark. Third type is command and request. It tells us to do something. It may be in order or it may be in a requesting way. Example of these sentences are stop, close the door, please close the door. The final punctuation of this sentence depends on the intonation or tone of a speaker. It may be exclamative or it may be full point. Next, the last type is exclamative. It is about the exclamation. It expresses the surprise, sudden feeling, etc. What a funny story he told. These sentences, it can be verbal or it can be sound based. This final punctuation is always exclamation mark. Let's see each sentence in detail. Declarative sentence is nothing but statement. It makes a statement. It says us something. It gives us information about someone or something. They normally ends with full stop or period and begins with capital letter. The usual word order for the declarative sentence is subject, verb plus object. Here I will write object. Look at these examples. It can be written in positive or it can be written in negative. Positive, I like tea. I is the subject, like is the verb, tea is the object. Negative, I do not like tea. I is the subject, do is the verb, not is negative kind, like is the verb and tea is the object. Same as positive sentence, we watched TV last night. You are telling what you did in yesterday's time. Negative, we did not watch TV last night. When the sentence becomes negative, when you use the word no, not, never. Next type is interrogative. Interrogative sentence asks questions. They ask us something. They want information from us. They always ends with question mark because they inquire, they interrogate. The usual word order for the interrogative sentence is there are two types, WH type and yes or no type questions. For WH questions, you need to give complete answer. When the question is asked, where you were, what is your name, who is your father, what do you like, etc. You need to give the answer in a complete sentence. Same, some are yes or no type questions also, whose answer is either yes or no. What is the word order for the yes or no type question? Be word or helping verb plus subject plus verb plus object. Interrogative sentence can be positive or negative. Look at these examples. Do you like coffee? The answer is either yes or no. You need not to give in a complete sentence. Why did you go there? You need to give complete answer here because the reason should be provided. Why didn't you go there? Same, reason is required. What are the two types of questions here? WH questions is a first type. Then the second is yes or no type questions. Next, let's see the third one. Imperative sentence is about command and request. Imperative sentences gives a command. They tell us to do something and they end with full stop or period or sometimes explanation mark based on the tone of a speaker. The word order for the imperative sentence is base verb, means direct words are spoken. Need not to use subject here because the usually subject is understood, it is you. Imperative sentence can be positive and negative, same as other sentences. Stop the car means you are driving here. You are driving means the person is speaking to you only. Need not to mention the subject. Do not stop the car. Give her coffee. Don't give her coffee are the example of imperative. Stand up. Write down. Note down the things what I told, etc. Subject is understood. It is you. Need not to use the subject again. Exclamative sentences. Exclamative sentences expresses strong emotions, surprises. An exclamation, they always ends with exclamation mark. The usual word order for the exclamative sentence is what, adjective, noun, subject, verb is the first order. Second order is how, adjectives, adverb, subject, verb. Look at these examples. What a liar he is. What a liar he is. Which order I used here? First order. What? A liar is an adjective. Noun is he. Noun or pronoun we can use. Subject is he. Next verb is. How nicely he surprised us. How is used. Adverb I have used. Subject he is used. Or verb is surprised and us. How he lied. How exciting the movie was are the different examples of exclamative sentences. So in exclamative sentences, wow, what, how, except these words with the adjective or adverb is must. Next, see in brief, there are four types of sentences classified by the purpose: declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamative. He stopped is what? He stopped is what? Declarative sentence. Did he stop is what? Is a interrogative. He is asking. Stop is a order. Next, the last one is how he stopped is a exclamation. Same here. Let us note something. The form and the function of the above four types in general, we use the declarative form to make a statement, right? Declarative form to make a statement. Next, we use interrogative form to ask question, right? Next, we use imperative. We use imperative to form issue or command, to issue command or request. Next, We use exclamation mark or exclamation sentences to form an exclamation, to make a exclamation. Hope you are clear with this. Now let's see. But functions and form do not always coincide. Means sometimes we can interchange them. Declarative sentence can be used as interrogative, imperative sentence can be used as exclamative sentence, etc. For example, see here. But functions and form do not always coincide, especially with a change in intonation. I told you while speaking about the imperative sentence, tone of a speaker matters a lot. For example, we can use the declarative form to give a command. You will now start the exam. When you are sitting for the examination, that time the invigilator will use this word. You will now start the exam. Actually, this is a declarative sentence, but we are using it as a imperative. Or we can use the interrogative form to make an exclamation. For example, wow, can you play the piano? We can even ask questions with the declarative form. Bangkok is in Thailand. Actually, we are declaring, but we are using it as a question. So it is important to recognize this and not be confused when the function does not always match the form, because tone matters. Now let's check the understanding by playing a small quiz. Hope you enjoy. Which type exercise, now question number 1. Which type of sentence must end with question mark? A. Interrogative, B. Imperative, C. Exclamative. So this is about what? Question mark. Question mark comes in interrogative sentence. So right answer is interrogative. Next, the second question is, a sentence that is used to give someone an order or a command is an dash sentence. So first we have to mark the word command and order or command. Where it comes? Interrogative, no, it is about the question. Exclamative is about the exclamation. So the right answer is B, that is exclamative. Sorry, imperative. Next, the third question is, the function of a declarative sentence is to dash someone about something. Ask, tell, surprise. Yes, right answer is B, tell. Fourth question, what does an exclamative sentence usually end with? A full stop or period, a question mark, a exclamation mark. Exclamative sentence. Exclamative sentence ends with an exclamation mark. It coincides with the name. Fifth one, sit down and be quiet. What type of sentence is this? Sit down and be quiet. It's an order and request. So what it is? Yes, be imperative. Which of these, sixth question, which of these sentence types often begins with the subject? Remember the form? Subject, verb and object. In which type of sentence we used that? Declarative. It declares. Earth revolves around the sun. Moon revolves around the earth. These are what? Declarative. So subject is there, then it is declarative. Which is an exclamative sentence in a below? He is so cute. Isn't he cute? How cute he is. Remember, while explaining the exclamative sentences, I told you that there are two orders. One is what order and one is how order. How order, what it had? How plus adjective or adverb plus subject plus verb. So what is the answer here? C. C is the right answer. Next, the usual form of declarative sentence is to make form. I am asking form. To make a statement, subject verb, a period or full stop. To make a statement is a function, a period is a punctuation. So what I am asking here? I am asking the form. So it is a subject, verb and object. Yes, V, O. Let's see the last one. Which of these sentences is in imperative form? Which of the following sentences are in imperative form? Have fun, won't you? Did you have fun? It will be fun. Please do write. Yes, the answer is A. Have fun, won't you have fun? Means you are suggesting to someone. Right answer is have fun, won't you is A. Last but not the least, which is declarative sentence? 3 options are given. In which of these is a declarative sentence? Ouch is exclamation. I told you exclamative sentence can be written, can be said in a verbal or can be said in a sound. Stop hurting me is imperative. Stop hurting me, that's hurt. That hurts. So which one is the right answer here? That hurts means you are declaring something is there that is hurting you. So that hurts is the right answer. Hope you have enjoyed the quiz. Hope I am clear with the every doubt you had. Do write your score in comment sections. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Stay active, stay happy, stay